Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to do the scanning for the US market stocks. Okay, so in TradingView there is a setup for doing the scanning for the good stock for long side or short side. Normally those who do intraday trading, for them this scanner, even for swing trading also, this will help you. Before that, what you need to do, I am going to explain. So first of all, you need to create a watch list. Okay, so how to create that, I am going to explain step by step procedure. Please try to understand. Okay, so I just roughly I have made some list here. Okay, so here what you need to do, you need to click here. Uh, Sorry. So here you need to create a new list. You need to click here, create a new list. Now I have created a new list, that is US stocks. I have named it. Then I have added few stocks like Amazon, Tesla, Intel, Nvidia, Nasdaq 100 index also, Apple, Microsoft, Walmart. Like this, you can add 50, 60 stocks if you have paid version of TradingView. Okay, so it will not work in free version. Okay, so you need to have the paid version only for doing the scan. Okay, please note that. This will help you to search here and there. Just open two windows, one for the chart, another for the scanning. Okay, so like this. So if you see here, this is for the trading and this is for the scanning. Okay, so for example, if you get any stocks like this, you can look for the short entry, long entry, like that. Now, how to do this one? Okay, so I will show one more time again. You in watch list, whatever the list you have created, you select the name of the watch list. Then you use the God gift scanner. Okay, so I will remove this and I will show you how to add that. This indicator also you need to add in favorite. Okay, so here, if you see here, this one, okay, for example, God gift indicator is here, let's assume. Okay, you need to add this as a favorite. Remove this from indicator from favorite, it's showing. Now, so it's already added in favorite. You also need to add in favorite. Okay, not this one. You need to add God gift scanner, which I have already given to you. Okay. Once you add that, you will get these options here. Whatever the scanners you have in the favorite, all will come here. So now I have added got it scanner. Now I want to take short entry, long entry in these stocks. How to understand? Because presently the market is closed, US market is closed. What I'm going to do, so scan for long. If it's true, then scan. Then if any stocks comes, you can focus on that stock. Okay, so now there is no buy side stocks, so you can reset it. Then look for any short side trade. Okay. So if it is true, then scan it. Okay. So now NASDAQ shows actually sell side setup. Okay. So what you need to do, you need to go here and check the NASDAQ stock. Okay. So whether that is at the uh, green zone or red zone. If it is here, and is, let me put that. Okay. So that it will become easy for you. NASDAQ. Okay. So now if you put this, then you select. From this, what you need to do, you need to select NASDAQ. Okay, and there is a list here. Nifty, you select NASDAQ. So S&P 500, whichever you want, you select. Once you do this, then you will get the support resistance setup. Okay, now it is sell side, means when it comes, when it is below this level, then only that signal comes. So you should not be in hurry to take a short trade here. You wait for the retracement. If the price comes near to daily support, then it closed below the VWAP, or if any candle low breaks here, you can take the short entry. Okay, so always don't be in hurry to take a trade. Suppose if you take a short entry here, again you need to take one more lot short entry here, so that you can hold it for till the green level comes. See, from green zone to green zone, daily resistance, daily support, below VWAP, you must take the short entry. Okay. Or if you don't want to consider VWAP also, you can consider just daily support and resistance. Keep this daily resistance as a stop loss and take the short entry. Okay, so if you have taken a short entry in NASDAQ, you would have achieved almost 287 points in intraday. Okay, this is how you need to do the scanning for the US market stocks. For that, you need to create the watch list. Hope you have understood this. And if you want to do the same thing for Indian market also, what you can do, just change the watch list here. So I have made Nifty 500 stocks. Okay, so all the stocks came here now. So all the short side, I will remove this reset. Any trade for the long side, I will click here, that scan it. Okay. So out of 500 stocks, which all the stocks I need to trade, that will be scanned here. So it's coming GSPL and Gujarat Gas. This is for the long entry. So what you need to do, you need to add here GSPL, where exactly the stock is there, you need to check. Okay. So GSPL came here. Okay. So if it is at the hour level, like God gift level, at the green zone, you should buy, and red zone, you should exit. Okay. Same way, you can check for the short side entry. Okay. I'll remove this, use a true short side signal. Okay. And scan it. It is available only in the paid version. Okay. So premium version. So all these stocks for short entry, JK, Tire, Natco Pharma, Tejas Net, all these things. So fact, for example, if you want to check the fact, whether can we sell this stock or not. Okay. So just click here. You see, you would have sold over here only, not here. So once you see, as soon as you see this thing, you should not take the short entry. You're supposed to take the short entry only when the price goes near to VWAP and coming down, breaking the low of the next candle. You should take the short entry, and level to level, you can book the profit. From green zone to red zone, you can book the profit because the price of the stock is small. Hence, you can book small profit. Okay. Again, it depends on the which stock you are trading, which Gann level it is following. Okay. If you check the Natco Pharma, it will be like this. See, first candle is big. At that time, you should avoid taking the short or long entry because this, you see, this is the yesterday candle and this is the first candle. When such a kind of big candle forms, you should avoid trading. Okay. So always wait for the price for retracement near 963 or 50% of this candle. Then at that time you can take the short entry. So not in hurry burry, you should not trade. Okay. Hope this video will help you to understand how to do the scanning and how to trade in US market as well as Indian market. Thanks.